Hello everyone, welcome to Raptor Tank 2020, Montgomery College's student-run and student-funded business pitch competition gone virtual. My name is Ben.
My name is Angel.
My name is Audrey.
My name is Evan.
And we are your 2020 Raptor Tank co-leaders. Raptor Tank is a business pitch competition designed to promote student startup ideas and economic development by bringing together students with mentors and judges from the entrepreneurial community in a real-life business challenge. Students from all Montgomery College campuses, including online, are invited to participate regardless of major. I would like to thank the program's sponsors, the Gordon Maryland Macklin Business Institute, the MBI Cafe, Montgomery College's Enactus chapter, and the MC Business Program. Here are some of our Raptor Tank staff, including our co-directors, Professor Lang and Professor Weiser. With the help of students, academic professors, and world-class entrepreneurs, you can turn your business idea into a reality. Now we'll watch a short clip from Professor Weiser, one of our Raptor Tank co-directors.
So many of our students had these great business ideas. They were coming up with them in our classrooms, telling us about them for advice, and we really wanted to create some kind of a program that would allow them to turn those ideas into a reality. With the help of Enactus, we were able to provide a formal setting for students to network, collaborate, and also the funding to turn those ideas into a reality.
Next, we are going to look at the winners from last year's competition. Starting off, we have Jessica's first place pitch, Thermovon, an app that provides personalized skincare routines with user-friendly tracking and review features. In second place was Bovic's custom ink printing company called Aesthetic Imprints, which specializes in printing custom designs onto apparel. Last year's third place finisher was Felix's Quick Start Clock, which utilizes a strip attached to the user's bed to ensure the users wake up on time. He was also popular with the Raptor Tank audience members who voted him as the Audience Choice Award winner. Now let's get into the benefits of Raptor Tank. This is a wonderful opportunity for aspiring entrepreneurs because you develop professional skills in terms of presentation and learn new things about what goes into a business, such as managing the money and developing ideas of where you want your business to go. We have inspiring entrepreneurs who have gone through these issues to help you throughout this whole event.
Additionally, there's up to $2,500 in prize money funded by the student-run MBI Cafe.
Most students come to Montgomery College to get an education, but some students leave with $2,500 to start their business idea. So let's take a look. The Raptor Tank Business Pitch Competition puts students and their business concept in front of local business leaders, who then select the top 3 winners to receive grants for their innovations.
Donut Shop is a streetwear brand from Maryland that focuses on promoting unity, embracing diversity, and cultivating artistic creativity. We provide high-quality apparel that features collaborative designs from around the DC metro area.
Obviously, you guys found a great niche, the skater market. How big is it, though?
Now, the Outsider Channel is an entertainment brand whose goal is to deliver high-quality content to our viewers so we can press on the influence of hip-hop culture on other countries, other communities.
You were very clear about the revenue structure and where your estimates are coming from.
Now let's go and make the difference. Elsewhere, education is power.
A Z-Charge is a device that converts the mechanical energy from the rotation of a bike's wheels into electric energy in order to power your phone, creating a new creative alternative to portable chargers.
Since October, students have been preparing weekly with workshops in business concept development, marketing, financial analysis, and business pitching. Both confidence and nerves were running high on the big day.
I'm very grateful for what I got today that Raptor Tank have gave me, so I can push the Outsider Channel into reality to make it actually happen.
I'm very excited. I'm glad I got this opportunity.
It's been really great to kind of represent just a different generation kind of in some of these competitions. So it's been a wonderful experience.
Our 4th annual Raptor Tank Business Pitch Competition winner and the recipient of $2,500 is Rocket Sports Stephen Koda. Congratulations!
It was absolutely fantastic. I honestly was not expecting to actually get this check. But honestly, it's a dream come true, and I really hope to look forward to buying that embroidery machine and reducing the turnaround times and our customization costs.
Like most competitions, there are winners and there are losers, but with the Raptor Tank, everyone's a winner. These contestants have had the opportunity to learn and to dream big as they develop their business ideas. For MC Today, in Rockville, I am Jasudia Cruz.
Now we have a video of Caroline Taw, the 2018 Raptor Tank winner, talking about her experience through the competition. Hi everyone, my name is Caroline. I am currently a junior at College Park studying marketing, supply chain management, and minoring in entrepreneurship technology. I'm sorry I could not be there today. I currently have class while you guys are watching this probably, but I am currently reporting to you from the library at College Park, but I still wanted to share my experience with you guys to hopefully encourage you to participate in Raptor Tank because it is an absolutely amazing experience. So Professor Weiser gave me a couple topics to talk about. So the first one is, why did I join? So I joined Raptor Tank because at the time I had just started my baking business and I wanted help and resources on how to grow my baking business and learn kind of like the ins and outs of what goes into starting up your own business. So I saw that Raptor Tank had workshop opportunities with advisors and local entrepreneurs that would like come in and talk to you about like marketing or financial tips. So that really encouraged me to want to participate in it, even if I wasn't going to make it to like presenting and pitching my business to the judges. I feel like this is a great opportunity for you to network and learn from entrepreneurs and get like tips and insights from them. And you can also possibly win some seed money for your startup, so that's always a plus. The second topic is what value you felt you got from this experience. So through this experience, well, before, I absolutely hated public speaking. Just the thought of speaking in front of like a classroom terrified me. So speaking in front of like a huge crowd was even more terrifying to me. But through this experience, I feel like it pushed me out of my comfort zone and it kind of helped improve my public speaking skills. I feel like I also gained a lot more confidence in myself and in my business. I realized that through like the workshops and like meeting people through Raptor Tank, I had to talk about my business a lot and like what my business was about. So every time that I would have to talk about my business, like I started, remembering it and like perfecting my pitch. So I gained a lot of confidence in my business and myself. I also gained a lot of friendships through Raptor Tank. I met a lot of great entrepreneurs. Everyone that I met literally is the best, and they pushed me every day, like through workshops and like just outside of workshops too, to like be better and like do better in my business, and like really encouraged me to keep going. Another experience I gained is networking. So there were a lot of like local entrepreneurs that came in and like talked to us about like marketing tips and financial tips or different like SWOT analysis and stuff that goes into your business. So just like being able to talk to them and connect with them and like network with them was also really great. Another topic is some tips for incoming participants. So I think one tip is to be yourself. Don't like force anything out of yourself or like push yourself. Like just do you. I feel like when you just are yourself, like that radiates and people can see that. Another tip presentation wise would be adding visuals. I feel like when you add pictures and like add colors, like it really captures the audience's attention and also the judge's attention, like even just like a picture of like your prototype, or like bringing in a prototype, or like a drawing of whatever your idea is, like that can allow the entrepreneurs and like the judges to kind of get a sense of what your idea is. And another tip for like public speaking is just like, it might seem nerve-wracking at first, but like once you're up there and like you're talking about like something that you're really passionate about, like it all just like flows out and it shows that you really know what you're talking about. So yeah, I hope that these, or like my experience, encourages you guys to participate in Raptor Tank. And yeah, good luck to everyone participating this year. And yeah, if you have any questions, I gave Professor Weiser my contact information. You can connect with me via email, reach out to me via email or LinkedIn. And yeah, I wish you guys the best of luck. Bye. Here's our timeline for the Raptor Tank 2020 program, which runs from the start of the school year up till mid-November. September 16th is the last day to sign up for Raptor Tank, so make sure that you have the sign-up form filled out by then. Check out the link on the screen. Here are all the dates for the exciting workshops that are coming up. Take note that these workshops are mandatory if you are planning on participating in this competition. Workshops will be held every Wednesday at 4 p.m. and will rotate between live sessions and pre-recorded videos each week. All the participants, November 4th is the last day to submit your video presentations, which will serve as your virtual pitch to the judges. These videos have to be less than 5 minutes long to be qualified. At the end of the competition, one participant can receive the Audience Choice Award. Viewers can vote for their favorite business pitch from November 6th through November 11th. On November 11th, we will host a question and answer portion for the judges and the contestants through Zoom.
Raptor Tank will be announced on November 18th. They will be posted on all our social media accounts now. On the sign-up form, you will find a code of conduct. Some of the key things you will find in it are that you must attend all workshops, run an ethical business, and use all prize money for business expenses. Our judges look at various parts of your business, such as the concept, financials, and leadership, which you can develop through our workshops. It is given to the participants so they know exactly what the judges would be looking for and expecting from them when they are presenting their business ideas. These are things that they can work on to succeed in Raptor Tank. So don't forget to check out the link and fill up the sign-up form by September 16th. And if you have any comments or concerns, you can send us an email at mcraptortank@gmail.com. Make sure to follow us on our social media accounts and follow our website for updates. Don't forget to use our hashtags too. Thank you.